Today I'm here to unbox, I guess, the prize I won at the Trips Christmas raffle on their live stream. So they told me it was coming, let's see, they had a live stream last Monday. They said they just mailed it, and I actually got it last night, so that seems pretty fast. It is from Canada. She said it's an unusual shape, so she had to be creative with the packaging. So, I'm pretty sure it was Kelly that probably wrapped it. So let's see how many layers there are here. Okay, there's lots of tape to keep it together. Okay, first layer. First layer. Just attached to another layer. This almost looks like a envelope or something. Here we go. And this is actually, that was not a manila envelope, it was one of those bubble wrap envelopes that they just opened up. So this is what I got. The McDonald's in Canada also had character cups, but theirs are glass. Oh, she also gave me, whoa. This is the Canadian candy cherry blossom, and apparently I guess they're not making them anymore. I'll have to try that. And then here's the glass. Instruction in here probably. Oh my gosh, not to put in the dishwasher. Oh, it says dishwasher safe. Do not use the microwave. Wash before use. Fragile. Handle with care. And I got okay, so it's Hot Wheels. And, and Barbie on this side. And it is made out of glass, unlike our character cups were made out of plastic. But ours did have colored, printing on it, whereas this is raised glass. So this is 1993, the Hot Wheels, and I assume Barbie is 1999 for Barbie. So that's when they came up with those toys for the Happy Meals. Yeah, that came out. Steve and Eric and Kelly came out nice. It didn't break at all. You did a nice job packaging. And also thank you for the cherry blossom. I will review this on a different one. So also thank you to, I don't remember his name, but one of the, I actually didn't win it, but they mentioned that I had suggested for them to get one of these as one of the prizes. And one of the guys that did actually win it said to give it to me. So thank you to him for letting me have his prize. So that's it for today. And thank you to the Trips for sending it. I know you guys had to wait for the Canada postal strike to be over, but it did come really quick once you did mail it. So thank you so much. So anyways, let's see. I don't think I need to rate it. I give the cup an A. So Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.